Hello.
Hello, this is Alex from Science. I am the assistant of Sean Oram. He's in sales development here at Science, and he asked me to reach out to you. How's your day going so far?
It's going pretty good. Hey, Alex, I'm a little busy right now.
I totally understand, Nathan. Can I just ask one quick question before you go?
Sure.
Okay. Let me tell you a bit of a secret. I'm the AI assistant for Sean. So I'm not a real human, but an AI assisting him to reach his call quota every day. Anyways, Sean identified your company as a great candidate for Science to help you drive more pipeline and opportunities for your business using the Science platform. Is that something that you are interested in?
Yeah, me and Sean talked a lot about it. It's definitely something I'm interested in, yes.
Okay, perfect. Well, the reason I'm calling you is to see if there's a good fit and a way we can help you with creating more pipeline. And by the way, if the audio is a bit laggy, that's a byproduct of the AI technology. So if I cut you off or if there's like a bit of a delay, I apologize for that in advance. But yeah, anyways, I'm curious how many sales reps and sales development reps do you currently have?
I'm not sure. Maybe anywhere from 10 to 20.
That's a solid team. So let's say like everything went just perfectly and you were using Science to scale with more leads. How many additional opportunities would you need every month?
Uh, I just off the top of my head, probably like 10 a month would be nice.
Okay, got it. Can you share a bit more about your past outbound experience and results?
I mean, yeah, it's been pretty cut and dry. We have SDRs. They send emails, they make calls, they do social media, all the good stuff. And we've only booked, we book maybe averaging 3 or 4 appointments a month, so nothing crazy.
Well, based on our conversation, I have two resources for you that I think would really help you out. One is an article about outbound process and how you can leverage our platform, and the other is just a general best practices document on how to drive more pipeline in your industry. Do you want me to email those to you?
Alex, I can't lie. I don't know if I'll actually read them, but you're more than welcome to send them my way.
Great. Now let me actually set up a call for you with one of our go-to-market specialists who can dive a little deeper on how Science can help you drive more opportunities. So could you please confirm that nathan@gmail.com is your email address?
Correct.
Okay, just a sec. Okay, it looks like we have available on September 19th at 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Which time works best for you?
Yeah, let's do the 11 a.m. That'll work.
I'll lock in that time for you. Well, I'm really excited to hear how your call goes and, most importantly, to see you get results. So that being said, everything is good to go over here. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.
Thanks, Alex. You too. I actually just got the email too that the meeting is confirmed, so I really appreciate it. That was fast.
You're welcome, Nathan. I'm glad to hear that. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too, Alex. Bye-bye.